In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people to Slack with this full guide. If you're new to Slack, or maybe you're adding team members for a project, this tutorial will be your go-to resource. Let's dive right in and get everyone connected. First, open your Slack application and you'll want to focus your attention on the sidebar to the left. There you should see an option that says Invite People. Go ahead and click on that. This is the entry point to adding any new members to your Slack workspace. This step is incredibly straightforward but vital because it sets the stage for everything that follows. Once you've clicked Invite People, a new dialog box will pop up. This is where you'll enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Type the email address carefully to avoid any typos. Remember, this is critical because without the correct email, your potential team member won't receive the invitation. And just like that, they've missed out on all the good stuff happening in your Slack channels. After you've entered the email address, look for the option labeled Invite As. Clicking on this will give you a drop-down menu where you can choose the type of access you'd like to grant to this new member. You can typically select roles such as member or guest, depending on the level of involvement you expect from them. This step is crucial because it defines what they can and cannot do within your workplace.